very good experience. Okay, with the help of the trainer, the explanation is very clear, and there are lots of activities that can be used in the classroom and also with the teachers. And I find out that the curriculum, the objective and everything, it is related to our own curriculum.
Benchmark,
that we can
and what I
apply.
like most will be the rubric, like it is not that rigid. ETS has provided a wonderful, flexible material which can be used regardless the age, the culture and whatnot. And as for us educators, this will be the best material that we should
I like that ETS, at the end of it, they have this analysis, because sometimes some teachers, we just know that at the end we just need to test the student and we do not know what to do with it. So with the analysis and the explanation from ETS representative, we can actually know, okay, so this is the part where the student is not strong at, and then we can work to improve their language skills.
I'm talking about, when you talk about this kind of test, we're talking about language. So it doesn't matter if you're an adult, working adult, or you're a student. I think as long as you have the initiative to really want to improve or check on your ability, where is your stand. So this test is actually relevant to everyone. So including our students, it's the same.
It actually is a very, very good test to know their level.